Hello, welcome back to Glorious Ahobrasia Kitchen. Adishema, Mimo Bibiara Akwaba. Today we're making mashed yam oto. That is the authentic name. Yeah. Let's start. So here I have my yam on the stove. Timedeme bayre esiso. I'm adding 3 eggs. You add your salt. Now the one chiniaka home. Come. You. Let's continue. See, here I have habanero peppers and onions. I added some salt. Tiahano, Jene, and Meko. You can see what I'm doing here. I'm adding some peanuts. Yes, this is traditional food. I have my palm oil. I'm using Ingo Zome. Yay! So here what I'm doing is I want to infuse the oil or the palm nuts. So I added some cured fish. Yes. I added some chopped onions. Now here, this is the peppers and the groundnuts. Now I'm adding my yam and I'm going to mash it. I'm not using potato masher, I'm using tapoli. Yeah, it's a wooden one that we use. And I'm using earthenware, asanka, and I'm using, so you can do yours in a bowl like the way you do your mashed potatoes. Okay, so this is my infused palm oil. I'm adding it to my mashed yam. So now what I'm trying to do here is to mix all together till it becomes uniform. This is white and one color. Okay, so if you've been watching up till this time, that means you like what you're watching. Please do me a favor, like the video, comment. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And also, thank you very much for your love and support. All my returnees, thank you for coming back. And then the new subscribers, God bless you all. Look at that, we're done. You see how beautiful it is? So fluffy, very fluffy. Yeah, so Manyane said benku. Yes, you see that? This is how it should be. So it's time for us to garnish our oto. Here I steam carrots and broccoli. Normally we use avocado, so this is my way of doing it or decorating it or garnishing it in a different style or a different way. Beautiful. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your love. Thanks for your support. God bless you. From Glorious Ahobrasia Kitchen. Stay blessed and safe. Cook with love. Enjoy with happiness.